Okay, this session we will see some more JavaScript uh, validations. Okay, previously we have done until this previous session we have done until this if you click submit, please enter first number. Okay, please enter second number. Those things we just done. Okay, now in this session, if I click something word, we should get please enter only numbers. This text should come how it is coming. Okay, previously we didn't add this line and then this line. Hmm. Okay, what this lines does, the cap will be, it will checks the starting letter. Suppose this is starting character means this one. Okay, whereas dollar it checks end from starting to ending. What are the characters? 0 to 9. Only this starting and ending, until between this we should have numbers only, though that only accept if the match string match. This one is string match. Okay, earlier we have kept this as a number. Earlier it was like this. What this number does, integer to string to, this will by default it will this value, whatever the value we have entered here will be the string, either it is number or anything. Okay, how are we converting the string to number? Just do number of. Okay, we'll do conversion at the end. Okay, you see number of number one, number of number two. This is the string to this number function will do convert the string to integer. Okay, before that that input, whatever the input, make sure we are entering only integers, not numbers. If I add a string something asf, it should get output something like this. Okay, let's see this. Okay, now this is the search criteria. Okay, we are accepting only numbers, that means integers. uh, See, integers only we can multiply here. Okay, we are giving the we are accepting user only integers. Okay, not numbers. Okay, in this here check num. Okay, this is the string match. Check num. Okay, this match will be num1 should match this criteria. Okay, same like that. Num2 also we need to add that. Suppose num1 I have done something, submit, please enter second number. If I add something this, no, it is not throwing any exception here. Okay, in this case we need to add the similar kind of thing into the num2. Make sure this match will work only for strings, not integers, numbers. Okay, numbers will not work. Here num1 dot match this here also num2, you can put num2. Please enter only numbers in second box. This is first box. Okay, make sure we are this one is typecasting. Okay, string to integer. This num1 is by default string. Okay, we are typecasting, then only we will do sum or multiply, whatever it is. Okay, you can add sum plus instead of multiply, sum will display here. Save. This will be the second validation. Okay, we are accepting only numbers. Okay, let's save this one and then do refresh here. Okay, now let's submit. Please enter first number. Okay, please enter first number. First number will be, suppose I enter this one. Please enter only first numbers. Only numbers in first box. Okay, I am what I am getting. I am getting this error. Okay, 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 okay. Instead of this, if I throw if I got this error, and then I need to stop. Return false. Submit. Please enter first number. It is coming totally. It should not come. Return false means. Okay, forget about return false. Let's. Yeah, it is working. You see, after refresh only, I didn't do refresh. Okay, for return false now, whenever uh, first number, press OK. Okay, then suppose please enter only first numbers in first box. Here also we didn't do return false. That's why it is coming out. We'll put return false everywhere. Okay, now submit. Please enter only numbers. Oh, I didn't do refresh here. That's why it is not working. Let's do in first box. Refresh here. Okay, submit. Please enter first number. Okay, done. Please enter only numbers in the first box. No, strings is not accepting. That's why I put okay, submit. Please enter second number. The second number. Please enter only numbers in the box. Only numbers. Then submit. We'll get both sum here. This is how the actual scenarios it will be. Okay. Now we see I want to get the error exception only this place instead of something like this, instead of this message box. Okay, I want to get here. Then in the for that what we need to do? We need to do inner HTML. Okay, this one we need to write inner HTML will does that work instead of alert. Okay, 10 నిమిషాలు వస్తాం. We need to add this first. Okay, this document dot get element by id first. This we need to add inner HTML. Okay, in the font color red. Please enter first number. Okay, it should come like this. Let's remove this one and then see whether it come the side of that. Refresh here. Error page. I think this will be done using some different way. Okay, let's do for strings. We have checked the. Okay, let's see the phone number. Okay, phone number validation now. Phone number validation is 10 characters. Mm, enter phone number. Okay, let's have only this submit button. This will be copied to phone number here. Let's see, let it be num1. These are not required as of now. If number, please enter phone number. Okay, please enter phone number. Okay, if empty, if the box is empty, if this box is empty, please enter phone number. This is fine. Okay, phone number should be 10 characters. Okay, that's why. Okay, we need to check the length of the number. Length of not equals to 10. Alert should be phone number has 10. Please enter valid phone number. Oh, let it be this one. Okay, let it please enter only numbers. This is the second one. Third one will be if what is the length? Valid phone number. Please enter valid phone number. Okay, these three things we are checking now. Then only submit should work. Just close this. Refresh here, and then first one, please enter phone number. Okay, good. Second one, please enter only numbers in the first box, in the box. Okay, in the box only numbers. Okay, good. Please enter valid phone number. Yeah, if you enter only 10 characters only, it will. Yeah, this is the 10 characters, I feel. Let's remove one character. Please enter valid phone number. Yeah, this is the phone number validation. Okay, let's do string validation. Enter name. Enter instead of phone number, enter name. Okay, in the name, what are the characters are A to Z, small letters, small and then caps lock. Okay, only those are permits. Okay, this is the regular expression. Okay, to match this. Okay, instead number one, name, replace all. Okay, suppose this one, if name is empty, then enter your name. If name dot match, this is not matched. Okay, please enter only. Please enter only alphabets. Okay, we are not accepting numbers. Here there are no numbers. Na, this name should be matched with this check num. Check num means check str. This is string. Okay, suppose I feel a name should be greater than or equal to 5 characters. Suppose something like that. Please enter valid name, or else the name should be greater than 5 characters. Okay, save. Okay, let's see all these three scenarios here. Refresh. Okay, submit. Please enter your name. Okay, let's do this. Please enter only alphabets. Yeah, I have added the numbers here. Okay, that's why. Now what I did, why this is only 3 characters, it should be greater than 5, no? Sorry, less than 5. If it is name dot length less than 5, then we should get this alert. Okay, refresh here. Suppose 3, please enter only alphabets. Suppose delete, please enter your name. Name should be greater than 5 characters. Okay, now it is coming. I kept less than here, that's why greater than 5. Okay, if you put greater than 5, refresh, it is coming. Okay, this is wrong, should keep less than 5. Okay, we have done that validating the phone number, validating the name, we did. Okay, validating number, normal number. Okay, this inner HTML, how it is, it will run, it will do. Let's see tomorrow session. Okay, some more how this inner HTML works. Okay, this is another way of inner HTML. It will display the side of that. Maybe in the it will be working in some table format or not. I will check. We need to check this one. This is also another way. In this way, we will get the result in this place, in this place. Okay, this is another way of writing. Uh, this is also another way. Registration dot focus. All errors will come in the some in one alert box. Okay, alert. Okay, alert box. This is also alert only. This is some advanced thing, I feel. I think we have done enough thing for validations, JavaScript validations. Okay, string, number, phone number. Okay, okay, we'll see the next session tomorrow.